Next, one more second problem of branch account under the data system only. I'll read out the problem. XYZ Limited with its head office in Bangalore has a branch at Mysore. So head office is where? Bangalore, and branch is where? Mysore. It's clear, I think so. Yes. Goods are supplied to the branch at cost. When the goods are supplied at cost, the expenses of the branch are paid from Bangalore, and branch keeps a sales ledger and debtors ledger only. From the following information supplied by the branch, prepare branch account, branch debtors account in the books of head office. In the books of head office, we are preparing the accounts. What are the information given? Stock at the branch on 1st April 2010. This is the opening asset, which will be recorded on which side? Debit side. Good. Goods sent to the branch during the year. This also will be recorded on the debit side. Total sales at the branch. This is given total sales. So we just wait for the information what exactly further they have given. Cash sales. 19,300. Cash received from the debtors 54,000. This both will be recorded on the credit side. Next, petty cash at the branch, that is on the 1st April 2010, 220. This is the opening balance they have given. Goods returned by the branch. 5,900. This is the whatever they have returned it back, which goes on the credit side. Cash sent to the branch for expense. This all expenses comes under the debit side of the branch account. Salary, petty expense, rent, all this comes on the debit side. Stock at the branch on 31st March 2011. This is the closing balance, 20,800. Petty cash at the branch. This is the closure balance they have given. Debtors at the branch 31st. This is also the closure balance they have given to us. There is a small working note we are supposed to do, that is the total debtors account. Debtors account, it is better to prepare the ledger only. Why we are preparing this? See, we have got the debtors closure balance, but we didn't got the debtors opening balance anywhere. No, right? This is a stock. This goods sales, no, nothing. So we are yet to find out the debtors opening balance. This is a must. When the closing balance is given, opening balance is to be, if it is not given, we are supposed to calculate. So for that purpose, total debtors account, one small working note we are supposed to prepare. What all information we have, we are going to post it over here. What all information is there? Stock information goes in the branch account. Goods sent during this also branch account. Sales, total sales, this is required. Let us see for the calculation purpose. Cash sales on the debtors account, does it matters? No, not at all, because only credit sales are recorded in the debtors. Cash received from the debtors 54,400. This matters? Yes. By cash account 54,400 on the credit side. Why? There is a reduce in the debtors account. When cash is received, it leads to reduction. So remember, this side it is plus, this side it is minus. This side it is plus. Next, cash is received. This is done. Next is what? Petty cash, doesn't matter. Branch, no. This all does. Then closure balance, by balance carried down. Now cash sale is given. Okay, total sale is given. Can I calculate credit sale? Yes, we can calculate. Cash sale is how much? 78,300 minus 19,300. How much I get credit sale? So this three information is given. Now I can calculate my balance figure, which becomes what? This becomes my opening balance of total debtors account. This information was required for the calculation of, for preparing the branch account. Now let us start with the branch account. Branch account, stock, opening stock was given. How much? 16,700. It has been recorded. Debtors opening balance 13,300. That is the assets opening balance 13,300. Petty cash, what next is what given? Goods sent to the branch 48,600. 48,600 on the debit side. Next, total sales is not required. Cash sales, yes, cash sales on the credit side. 19,300. Cash sales is done. Cash received from the debtors, which is being recorded, which we are going to record in the branch account. Yes, received from the debtors, that is collection has been done 54. This is the total. Post it on the outer column. Cash sales and received from amount received from the debtors. This both is recorded. Okay, clear till here? What all we have done? I'll repeat once again. Stock on the debit side, goods sent on the goods sent to the branch on the debit side. Total sales is not required, just for calculation we use it. Cash sales on the credit side, cash received from the debtors on the credit side. Petty cash, this is the opening balance on the debit side, 220. Next, goods returned by the branch. Branch is returning us back, right? So on the credit side, by goods sent back to the head office, 5,900. Next, expenses paid, salary, petty cash, rent, 13,200, 2,600, 3,200 to bank account. Done? Clear everyone? Stock at the branch. Stock at the branch closing balance, petty closing balance, debtors closing balance, 20,800, 200, 18,300. 20,800, 18,200, 200. Stock, debtors, petty cash. This all information we got. Posted all the information. Go for the balancing. We get profit 20,680. Hope everyone is clear. Okay, fine. Take care everyone. Bye.